Let's make an ant. You know, there are more than 12,000 species of ants all over the world. An ant can lift up 20 times its own weight. The queen ant can live for many years and have millions of babies. And when an ant fights, it's usually to the death. Don't look at me like that. Okay, to make your ant, you're going to need 4 small rods, and they could be any colors you'd like. You'll need 3 twisties, and to decorate it, you might want to use colored markers or stickers or glitter glue. Okay, to begin with, we're going to start with the body of the ant. So take 1 art rod, and to begin with, we'll start with the head. Now to make the head, we're just going to pinch down like this, just quite a small pinch, and fold it over and twist it up to make our head just like that. Now for the abdomen, which is in the back of the ant, we're going to make a little circle and kind of wrap it around. You can wrap it around your finger like that to make a little circle shape and bend it up a little bit so his abdomen can stick out a little bit. And then you have a nice little round abdomen. Now for the middle part, we have different sections. So we're going to take your fingers and you're going to put your thumbs together like this, and you're going to pinch right in the middle to make like a little hill shape. And there we have the body of the ant. Okay, the next step is to make the legs of the ant. So in order to do that, you'll need another small rod, and we're going to place it right in the middle, right behind its head. There's his head, and we want to put it about halfway so each leg will be the same size. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to twist it all the way down and pinch it in nice and tight. You see how tight it is there? And we're going to take a twisty like this, and we're going to wrap it around and twist it so it stays on nice and tight and snug. So you put it into a little X shape like that. And before you twist, I'll show you. Just like this, with your twisty, you're going to wrap it around until it's in the shape of an X like that. And then you can start twisting and twisting and twisting. And the more you twist, the tighter it will be. So let's try that. Let's pinch that in there, wrap your twisty around, and you're going to start twisting, 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 and twisting till it's nice and tight. And you keep twisting as long as you want. Now the extra part you can just tuck in underneath, or you can get some scissors and just snap them off. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut them off with some scissors. And there you go. They're nice and tight in there. Now to finish the legs, the next part is to make it into like an N shape. So we're going to twist up and twist down and then twist up and twist down. So on this side, I'm going to go up. You can see I'm twisting it all the way up, and then a little bit close, you can see right about here, I'm going to twist down, and then over here, I'm going to twist up, and then I'm going to twist down a little bit. And there we got our leg on this side. So it goes up and down and up and down. So let's try the same on this side. Twist all the way up and a little bit down and a little bit up and a little bit down. And we can scrunch it together if we want the legs to be closer together. But there you have the front legs. Okay, we're going to do exactly the same thing on the back. I'm going to do it 2 more times, right on the back, right behind the abdomen, right there. So take an art rod. Remember to place it in the middle so it looks pretty even. Okay, and remember, we're going to go all the way down. Now you see it's not perfectly even, but that's okay. You know, some ants have shorter legs on one side, so you never know. Okay, take out your twisty and start wrapping it around. Remember, get it nice and tight. twist, twist, twist till it's nice and tight. You can fold it in or just cut off the extra pieces. And now we've got ready to make the back legs. So again, we go up and a little bit down and a little bit up and a little bit down. And the same on this side. Up and down and up and down. And there we have another pair of legs. Well, you know, ants have more than 4 legs. So we're going to put on another one. Okay, but this one is going to go right next to this one, right here. Going to go right in front of it. Let me make sure you can see. It's going to go right in front of the one in the back. Or there it goes, on the one in the back. There's the back. And we're going to put that right in front of it. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go all the way down and pinch it. So here's the front leg, here's the back legs, and there's the one that's we're going to put in right now. And we'll put in another twisty and wrap it around. Wrap it around and start twisting to make it nice and tight. Twist, 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 twist. Okay. And we'll do the same thing we did to the other 2 legs. Up and down and up and down. And the same on the other side. Up and down and up and down. And don't remember, if you have anything extra sticking out, you can cut it off with scissors or you could just fold it in. And there you have, now we have more legs, but you know what, these legs are too close together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split them apart into like a V shape. I'm pushing one back and one forward. And this on this side, I'm doing the same thing, push one back and one forward. Okay, and there we'll have the ant with the 4 parts, with the 6 legs, I mean. Okay, now, with your ant, now it's time to decorate it. And you know what, with this ant, it will actually sit on the table, but we want to look at ways to decorate it. So you can use your stickers. On this one, we put on some glasses and a little mustache. You don't have to do that. I'm just being a little funny with my ant. But you can pick whatever you want, or you can use your markers to decorate it. Let me show you some ants that I found and give you, looking at other pictures, it gives you ideas of things you could draw in. Let's take a look. Okay, so I'm looking at the ants carefully and I'm seeing, well, the ant has its eyes on the side of its head. And over here, I can see, oh, there are little pinchers sticking out in front of its face. So I might draw that on with a marker. And there you can go. There you have it. You're decorating your ant. And the last part is to decide what you want to do with it. Now you can give it to a friend or family, or you can put it on your shelf with your other art rod animals, or you could play a game or maybe act out a story with your different animal friends. Have them talk to each other. It's a lot of fun. Well, that's all. See ya.